Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy holidays! So this video is something I promised last year during Black Friday. I shared an unboxing video where I share my first impressions of a few yoga products, and I promise I will give you an update after using them for a while. And if you haven't seen that first impression video, I will share the link in the description below. Now it's been over a year, I thought it would be the perfect time to let you know how those products have been holding up. As for this year, I didn't get any yoga products simply because I don't need anything. But I did pick up some non-yoga related products and filmed an unboxing video. If you are interested in watching them, I'll also share that link in the description below. Okay, first up is the yoga rug I got from Etsy. I don't have it with me right now, but I've used it a lot outdoors. I love practicing yoga on it. I think it's perfect for outdoor shoots. But unfortunately, I don't think it's ideal for home use. Well, I guess it really depends on what kind of floor you have. For me, we have wood floors at home, and this mat just slides around too easily, so I can't really use it on that surface. But it works amazingly outdoors. I've taken it to downtown Nashville, and I also taken it to Thailand where it worked great on the beach. So overall, I think it's a solid purchase. I've used it a lot. I'm really happy with it. Next is the Manduka travel mat. This mat is probably the mat I've used the most throughout the year. Since I travel a lot, this is the lightest mat. True to its name, it's designed for travelers. I have taken it everywhere with me, literally. As you can see, I have it with me in my hotel room right now. The best part is its grip. Since I sweat a lot, I really appreciate that it's not slippery at all. The only downside about this mat is the smell. After a year of use, it still has that material smells that's kind of hard to describe. So if you're sensitive to scent, it might not be the best choice. Other than that, I love it. It's perfect. Here I have my Manduka Yogitoes hot yoga towel. I use this towel as much as my travel mat. I take it everywhere with me and I use it in every single hot yoga class. I'm using it right now. I've washed it in a machine and air dried it, and it still works really well. I love how grippy and absorbent it is. It does the job really well. Highly recommended if you are into hot yoga. A must-have. Last is the Manduka Lavender Mat Cleaner. I really do love the smell, but unfortunately it doesn't clean my mat that well. I'm not sure if my mat was just too dirty to begin with, but it didn't seem to do the trick, so I wouldn't necessarily recommend it for heavy-duty cleaning, although the scent is nice. So that's the update on my yoga gear. Thank you for watching it. If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time!